Right, let's finish off with the cartoon. It's on page 14. And this again is focusing on Africa as a whole, but of course brought about by Zimbabwe, which has been in the limelight, I think from last Wednesday, from the time that the military stepped in to, well, ensure that, according to them, that they were saying they were going to root out criminals. But of course, over time, we have managed to see what's happening.
I think the case of Zimbabwe, and we keep on talking about it, is a case that is very unique, where we have this excitement about a coup. Then a coup is not realized. Then we have a president resigning and is granted immunity, because those were some of the negotiations that were going on. And still the power goes to his party. You know, we'll have had a case where we have the opposition, you know, or somebody independent having the, you know, the president of the caretaker government. But here we are just returning power to the same people. Because when you look at Mnangagwa, has been the right-hand man of Mugabe
for a
long time. And most of the heinous acts of that were perpetuated by Mugabe, actually it's claimed that it is Mnangagwa who was planning.
Yeah, he's the planner and the executor, the one who would actually make sure that those plans go.
So I can see Museveni is also getting worried, according to the cartoon. That is now next to the gallery. And then we have Al-Bashir is on the queue. Then the third one, I don't know who is that.
Well, it might be Kagame, but you can't see clearly. But there you go. That's basically what the cartoon says there this morning. And that's where we want